Are you wondering how to duplicate a section in Asana? Well, if that's the case, then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be showing you exactly what you need to do. So first and foremost, I'm going to open up the project where I want to duplicate the section within. So firstly, make sure that you're in that screen, make sure you open up your project and make sure that you have the section you want to duplicate in mind. So you may have noticed by default, this is what I did. You to try and duplicate the project, you click these three little icons here and you were expecting to see a duplicate button. Unfortunately, that functionality does not exist. But there is a workaround, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. So let's say we want to duplicate this entire section, and I'm actually just going to create a new one just as an example called duplicate a section. So what I want to do is get these three tasks under this section here. So what you need to do is firstly scroll to the top and click project actions, and then what you need to do is click duplicate, and what that's going to do is duplicate the entire project. Now you can leave all of this kind of checked, it doesn't really matter for the bottom parts, but you do of course need to have all tasks checked, and it will be by default. So just call it something like, we'll leave it as this, that's fine for now. You might want to call it something else just for your just so you know exactly what it is. We're not going to need this project and we are going to delete it soon, so do bear that in mind as well. So just make sure it's clearly distinct from the original. So click create new project, and in the bottom left you're going to see it spinning up. While this is doing it, I actually like to right click and go open a new tab and just wait for it to load. Obviously it's being created and being spun up. So what that's going to do here is that's going to open up the second and new duplicated project. Now what you need to do here, and this is a little bit, you need to be quite careful, hold the shift button on your keyboard, left click all of the tasks that you want. So you can see that blue there, and it shows they've all been selected. And at the bottom, it will say 3 tasks selected. Now the second icon says edit project or section. Now if you click that, now what you want to do here is click add to project, select the original, so making a project private in Asana. That's the original project. Now what you want to do is then select the section you want to add it to. And if you remember before, I called it duplicated section. So select that. Then all you need to do here is, if we go back, you will see that the entire duplicated section is now there. So at this point, you can go ahead and delete the duplicate project. It's no longer required. So to do that, go into it, click the drop down and then click delete project, press delete. And if I go back here, as you can see, we have our brand new section. And unfortunately, it is a workaround, so you will need to do this each time you want to duplicate a section. But it is, as far as I'm aware, the best way of doing it, because the original functionality does not exist. So I hope this video was useful. If it was, please do hit the like button. That tells me I should continue creating videos like this. And do consider subscribing to my channel. If you head over to my channel, I do have a whole playlist on Asana training. So if you are new to the tool, then I suggest that you check that out, and do hit the alert button and you'll be notified of when I release videos just like this. So with all of that said, I hope you have an excellent day.